Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ, and today we are back with another interview of the year. I think the second interview of the year, and today we are coming from Speaker Now studios. Tony is some interviewer before, so actually it's the first one who the interview 2 times with Speaker Now. Skaze sibona your record. Tony, welcome to Speaker Now, friend.
Brian.
Sharp man. It's been 2 years singakuboni ku Speaker Now. Ngiyakhumbula sikhuluma come up yeshushu ibe njani mhlambe impilo after interview yakho yokuqala lana because ama numbers akho sasiwaboni.
First of all ngithanda ukubulisa kubabukeli. Ngiyabulisa emakhaya kunonke abalandeli kunonke okay. I've been busy man, I've been busy bendingekho man. Ndimatasa le EP zama unibuza yona but ke nomsebenzi kuye wamhle akufani ngiqhubeka kakuhle. Yabulela.
Okay. So maybe before say ku EP akhona ama shows okwaphefuma kona because I remember last time isikhuluma bukade wakhuluma ngama show the lack of shows apha Qumbu nama shows okwaphefuma kona before I connectivity beyaba khona after interview lisasenzile.
Nah.
Still namanje ama shows
still akakabikho but asiba unyaka eqhubeka mhlambe ngizabathola khona into ethembisayo ngathi ngayithola igig nyani.
And what do you think yona issue yama shows apha Qumbu bengabikho ama show hip hop? Do you think ama promoters or is maybe lazy because mina I think nani ngathi
I think
serious ngama shows.
Yeah, asikho serious kwathina. Cause even if bese serious bebengeke bangaza abantu bazosupporta. Nethi yasibambisenanga kwathina sodwa kunxakileyo.
Okay. So ngifuna nje kakhulu today sikhulume ngomusic because we always lethela iEP yakho ngiyazi udrop ongekho apha Qumbu bengifuna senze interviews the time iphuma because bengeke ngayilalela and into ethe happy ngangibonele bikhona ama platforms zonke bikhona ku ngibone USB, Spotify, Apple, so
YouTube music everywhere.
Mhlawumbe kubantu aba recorder but laba ngakakhona ukuthi bebe ne-access kulama streams mhlawumbe ungena kanjani mhlawumbe ukuthi music akufaka ku Apple Music ufaka ku Spotify kwenziwa kanjani mhlawumbe akubanikezi lecture nje.
Okay. First of all melo record track yakho be MP3. After record track yakho be MP3 ubhatale uditho ngena ku ditho.
Okay, maybe before
search ku spot
before uyaphambili mawuthi track yakho domain umuntu kumele record i-track yakhe original not ingoma zabantu. Ungathatha ama beat internet because most beat internet ku Spotify abazuku accept into enjalo.
Sure. Mawuthathe ibeat yomuntu ungayi-own mhlawumbe ibeat uyakuxelela uSpotify xa udwadla uba hayi xa ungena kuyo uba ayo yakho lengoma own so wayizungena wayizulink up nawe
ngene so awukwazi no drop
sure awukwazi ayidropeki
so asithi steps
soqala umuntu downloaded singasibali hayi
singasibali so steps soqala umuntu akathola
producer
because that's another thing o producer baphinde bekuthatha ingoma za internet so i-beat maker that's why ngithi kumele solo producer or i-beat maker
make sure
because bakhona aba producer but abawenza ama beat
sure beat maker
baleke i-beat ayi original then ithini enye i-procedure maso apha
ungathuki kakhulu i-track yakho ingabi no motherfucker like
bakusetha no Spotify bengayazi
so motherfucker mele babe 2-3 nyana bangadluli ku 3 at least. After that ubhatale ku Spotify ungekayikhuphi track yakho xa ugqiba ubhatala qala ku 260 ibe 450 ibe 550 ibe 750 ibe 900 ibe 1.2 so kushiyana ukuthi ubhatala malini ngoku-advertisela ke.
Okay, so bana ma package are different.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that ubhatalile bazokusetela I think 12 or 8 I'm not sure days before iphume bakunika i-pre-save link.
So wena oba specific ube ufuna idrop nini?
Uyazikhethela i-date wena. Click i-date yakho uba if ufuna uyidropa let's say nge-10 maybe 5 i-date masithi uzoclick u5 mos 5 days after For example, by 5 days after uzoklikha la 5 and then after la 5 days nge-10 iyaphuma.
Okay, I know yazwala ngathi simple. Then ko Apple Music akukho tricking noma zonke indawo
Uku-advertisela kuzo zonke indawo wena udwadla nje ububhatele nje wena uziklikhela ngokwakho izitreams.
i-platform udistro lo.
Yeah, Udito Kids, Udito. Zitho.
Okay.
Udito no DistroKid. Then mna ndikhethe Udito because ikhona into endiyaziyo.
What's around of maybe wabhadala malini just for register?
Zezi artists ngavuna ukubhatala ne-feature ndikabi namali encama.
Ufuna bebe ne-show so nje abantu babeqala lento because baningi babuza lama question nama
to be specific mna ndibhatale i-260 mina.
260.
Yeah, cause bendiqala nokuqala nikwazi ukuthi ndingena fans ezila way ndibe ndiyoma pha.
Social ama package la.
Sure bendisafuna uqala uba ndibone kuqala uba izondibeka ndawoni.
Okay, so right now ingoma yakho mayidlala eradweni akhona ama royalties eza kuwena because uregistered. Mabe thatha music wakho usebenza ake sithi maybe eradweni yaqhuma usabela FM edlala music wakho ungakhona ufumana something because so registered.
Nika register ko Sampro.
Okay.
So le click no Sampro ukuze kube nama royalties.
So le process o explainer yo register ngoma.
Yeah.
Sabe uregister artist.
Yeah.
Yabo iningi I think actually sadinga episode ukukhuluma ngale.
Sure.
Because I think iningi
ibalekile nayo cause ibalekile.
Yona babuza ama question ngaye nami ngiconfuse because lezi zinto zako Sampro no bani zini
ubalekile. Let's say uSampro andisho let's say umzekelo xa uzoba nemoto kumele ube ne-license eqala ungaqhubi nje endleleni. So ukwazi uba i-artist ovela ezindaweni ezigrand ungenayo uSampro chuthi yayizo zakho ezingoma bangakwazi ukuthi uzibile abantu.
So now njenge-example yakho nawe kumele imoto yakho this means imoto yakho nengoma this means ingoma yakho kumele register.
Sure.
Nawe futhi kumele uphinde ube ne-license.
Kodwa noko mna at least Sampro wami samlindile mna sedimenzile then azikabuyi feedback ayikabuyi.
I think ingoma engakhona ukukholetha ama royalties but ngeke ukwazi kwaclaim
angeke. Yeah iyakhona ngeke ukwazi uapply.
So as soon as you register ungakwazi ukuthi uhambe uclaim
sure
music wakho.
I think so.
Okay, I know I think yazwakala lo part because I think yone confuse abantu abaningi lezi.
Sure.
So I guess starting steps of music wakho because last time ufika labo une single le kodwa usebenzela yona maybe suqhubeka iproject because I think we record yapha kuqombo noma kusoul.
Bendi record kuqombo kuDig yapha emvumelwano.
Okay, then ke masu usebenza ku EP ezinye ingoma ziqhamuka kanjani busebenza nobani?
Okay. Fika dathola iproducer KB Lion eMpumalanga eMandela. Ndafika ndathola iproducer and then lo mjida yasiba sasisebenzile so uyasazi ispan sami.
Sure.
Saqabelana kudala sakhuntana so wanika ibeats ezi2 from the bottom yokuqala. Yesibini it's for injendala. So I decided uba ndimnike anishayile ngokwakhe ihook from the bottom and then mina ngithatha iverses. Kulena yesibini bayazi mos njendala nabo so bandiyiwani.
So uKP Lion nayo vele beside uproducer uyarapper nayo uartist because ngimzwile kule ya hook yakho la. Noma nje uyarecorda because use studio sakhe like
let's say kuyashiyana kuba we-artist akuvakanga kanani we-artist njani
unayo project yakhe ngizangibuya lapho
unayo. Okay eyakhe ngu-7 Green project yakhe leya nawe uzoyithola kuzo zonke platforms. So ndamfeaturisha ku-From the Bottom ndamfeaturisha naku-Favors zi2 i-tracks akho kuzo and then enye feature ibe ngulokho M ibe ngu-Kid Section.
Okay.
Shout out dogs.
Ngiyambona Kid Section lokho emwakuphi ngoba section yamazi.
Ngolapha
around. So ama-verse buhamba usunawo noma ingoma ethu usurecorde before yeMpumalanga leyo.
Ayikho nenye ingoma endihambe ndinayo. Sonke ndizirecordele and then ndawasendela iproject
bakushaya
ama-vocals and then ndazithatha mna.
I think that is dope uthi isekhona lokho lapha even ungasekho apha kuqumbu.
Ikhona.
Okay, one thing enginoticile ngeproject yakhe ibhale upush season 1. This means khona enye ezayo mhlambe i-concept yakho maybe ufuna usticka kuno upush nani ithini meaning behind yena lo push wakho maybe intoni epush wakho
Okay. Okay, la project was dedicated to all the hustlers out there.
okay
Sure. So, meaning yakhona pray or push until something happens.
okay
Yeah.
so basically ukhuthaza amajita
Yeah, so noba wenza ntoni like uqhubhe ngolovane like noba like yandisinyanza isipani sakho umjita yeah motivate ubapushe more noba wenzani
noma uba yiphara lasenqalokweni
so noba intoni uyabona akaphushe
ngiyakuzwa I know I think i-project yakhe isolid ngizwile especially ama-beats that's why uKP la bengifuna ukuthi ngi-highlight because ngizwile isolid like
ngizwala noZushi boy
okay
noZushi boy
yawuZushi boy actually akumention ku-interview yakho uZushi boy kuba no one of the first people ngabasendela ama-beats ithambisana uba nama-beats so shout out to Zuchi
shout out dog
shout out to Zuchi so maybe i-process le yakhona ukuyenza mhlambe isathi ixesha elingakanani because ngiyakhumbula abusuna ama-single before uhamba then ukuthi uyi-finalize usufile eMpumalanga thathe maybe inyanga 3 months thathe ixesha elingakanani ukurekhoda lezi zinto lezi
let's say 4 because ezinye verses kwamanye amajita walapha kuqomba zange zibuye ndazincama so ndadecide ukuba ndizibhalele ngokwami verses zesibini let's say maybe if bendimnika uverse 2 umjita kambuyisa man so sendimbhale ndirekhode ngokwami
awufuna ukuba mention
hayi andifuna ukuba mention
safuna ukuba obani abangarespondi kuma-verse
ngaba lapha kuqombo but andifuna ukuba mention bazayibona
usafuna ukusipana nabo
I don't think so but xa imntatsha yena esithi manje sipani naye nawe but mna ngeke ndimntatshe ndithi nantsi
because understand
failile already sure
no ngiyawuza maybe i-article i-art cover le push uyenzele obaphi ukuthi niyaba-credita bonke abantu but abantu abanenzela ama-art and stuff amagama abawaphumi maybe ubani
shout out to Sonic Till shout out to Sonic Till that's my guy wala qombo nayo umjita
so udila nawo vele ama-art wethu noma yini graphic design
sure
okephi lalo
I'm not sure ngelala umthi ngwalapha elokishini
umthi okay shout out to him ngibonile
shout out to Sonic Till shout out to Dog
so bengithi maybe into ozenzele koMpumalanga
na cause unayo nemeko umjita unayo nemeko
so yabo kusamle simsondeze eduze sayifuna imake speaker now
sure
samle simsondeze eduze akayona recording artist yena
uyiyo
okay sharp
Sonic Till
okay I know somplagile sesilizwile igama lakhe maybe looking forward ke we push season 2 because ngi-expectile because wena ofakele i-prelude hey push season 1 this isikhona enye izayo maybe ithini plan izodropa nini mhlawumbe obani ofuna ukusebenza nabo athina ama-plans
okay andithandi ukuwachaza ke nama-plans like into ingekenzeki
but ithini like into eseyi-structure like
ibi-EP mos useason 1 so I think useason 2 izoba yi-album
okay
izoba yi-album but then zoyi-announce ngoku i-date like ezinye zinto more information ndizoyithola xa sendi-grand mna
okay maybe ama-future features maybe abantu ofuna ukusebenza nabo maybe around uqumba around ukusole imthatha or else eMpumalanga la ukhona la abantu onayo access angifuna uthi usho lama-features ale kakhulu ubona ubani nga-possible just mhlawumbe mongamring apho ku-WhatsApp
okay andifuna uyimosha ingxaki i-EP yam so emntwini omameleyo or obukeleyo xa ndingamtatshanga kule album angathi andimtatshanga like even nee-artist zalapha kuqombo endiqhela usebenza nazo if andizitatshanga ndiyayazi into endisebenza kuyo mna like ndidila ngalo mculo ndidila ngawo so ndingakutatsha wena bra uyabo sibe singenza umculo oyi-1 so ayisebenzi loo nto uzondimoshela i-album mos that's why nditsho uba angabi nangxaka amajita endingawatatshanga ndizotatsha la majita endizayo istyle endisenzayo kule album
maybe ngibuze nje question esesayidini maybe angazi ngizwe une-female vocalist maybe is it awafuni noma awekho asikazi ama-female vocalist noma anqabile even ama-female features angazi ngizwenza ingoma nama-female.
I-female artist mna mandithi kum like ngumuntu oningqabeleyo usikasi uba abe seqala kwam ndikwazi uthetha naye ngabe abapha bazofuna imali and imali andikabi nayo so
but laba abaku-music basikazi
abasikazi abakufitshi nam ngamajita akufitshi nam andizinganawo abegreen
because I think
sure.
afuneka lo ma-vocals lo ma-female but
kupush season 2 nimlindi nimlindi andizumtsho uba ngubani ndifuna nizivele
yeah no phinde niplage nama-females because I feel like i-rap yaqumba even nakusolo iwanqabile ama-females anqabile and ngiyaqala uku-experience no because okay they like ngazi even nama-MC ama-female like
maningi
sure anqabile angazi uma bekho serious
let's say abekho serious cause baninzi abantu balapha abangayenza lonto and even if singathola i-female artist I think kuqumbwa ngathunyukela kancinci cause umjida akafani ne-cherry when it comes to pushing something
okay anyakuzwa no so uspeaker nawe since besifuna nje just special ukuzozuma ini kule project yakho because buke wafika kweni ngakaphumi maybe since usufikile sekhona namhlanje iziphi ingoma eziwu2 ku-push season ongafisa ukuperform
kupush cause ngingathanda ukumperforma like bamva abantu ngupush cause ebenezi-streams ezininzi before ndimcheck udito wami
okay
futhi uthandiwe
sure
benjendala track number 1 yi-intro because iyanichaza la ngoma uba like ndisuka aphi like kudala ndikhona egaming
so injendala buyibhale like from iphi point bisuka iqhamuke kanjani injendala since uzoperforma wona salosu break down
okay first of all like nangaphandle xa ndibizwa noba kuse-town endibizwa umjito ondaziyo from the start uqala kwam uculo undibiza ngenjendala uyabo sho njendala sho so elagama liyandichaza uba like I'm not an amateur kudala ndikhona egamini yabo kudala
ngiyakhumbula from our first interview ethi uba umention uba uqale kudala so how many years you've been in the game how many years more count nale start sakho anduke waqale from i-group
so
how many years nasehlangene 2016 awunawo 10 years ku game
uhlangene maybe 12 13
ando awinjendala ngempela injendala because
bayazi bonke bayazi
ngiyayazi le way yomusic yagive uphisana because of amachankura wavela lapho so abantu abaningi baphelele endleleni they cannot even make it to ama-EP awu2 abanye abagqibela nonyaka bewenzile baninzi special abanethalente ibona abantu abangalastikela egaming because bagive up easy
into endazixelela yona mna trust the process learn to wait funda ulinda lizofika ixesha lakho sujaha uthixo izinto like akasibekeli ngexesha eliyi-1 so xa ubona omnye umuntu ephumelela mvuyele noba kuphumelela ngawena so liseza nelakho ixesha soncama
and kodwa usho lathi amajita amaningi oqale nawo
awasekho
so I think labe proud mabebona injendala isaphusha I think unamadlozi inyanya zakho uqale nabo
ngiqale nabo angeke ngincame
okay for abantu ababukele maybe abangakayilaleli i-push season maybe bayitholaphi ama-platforms awamenshine nje wonke la
okay first of all ku-Instagram it's Toniel ku-Facebook page it's Toniel
okay
andifuna ukuyimenshina ke ka-TikTok because isekhona ingxaki yengisephezu kwayo like ukulungisa ipage yami
Twitter
ku-Twitter andikho ku-Twitter
samele sifake ku-Twitter you cannot be an artist ungekutwitter bazokuteka kanjani masindlela ku-MTV page masindlela kula ma-channel amakhulu even nase-radio na
ngizayilungisa leyo okay ku-Instagram it's Toniel ku-Twitter ku-Instagram it's Toniel ku-Facebook it's Toniel what else
I think aphelele lapho
I think aphelele so iproject iphumile ku Spotify, iphumile ku Apple Music, iphumile ku Deezer, kuzo zonke nje, kuzo zonke
SoundCloud, SoundCloud for ama rappers abalaphana uyifaka nini? Because
this week. Yeah, this week.
Because afuna nanemali uku-upload ku-SoundCloud. Uya-uploada nje.
Sibona not ndohlula idatha li-artist.
Idatha nje kuphela le. Okay, no, thanks to ukuthi ufike ku-Speaker Now again. I think abantu abaningi bazobuya because saba-interview abanye, maybe after 2 years umuntu akasalona artist. As you said, ukuthi abantu abaningi ba-give up endlini because i-game ithafa apha. And abanye bagcina bethola imisebenzi, bathi bathola imisebenzi. Bayeke ndabo italent labo focus ayona but bakhona abantu abaphusha iphupho labo njengawo, so shout out to you, unga give up.
Okay man, bulele nami abantu nabandiphushayo cause andizipush yandownload umculo wami, so man bulele abantu nabadownload umculo noba se-stream esiyi-1 noba ziyi-2 angeke ndiye ukuphusha mina into endiyicayeleleyo leyo. So
ku-YouTube bakuthola, I think
it's Toniel, even if na ku-YouTube uzoyithola na ku-YouTube Music i-EP yami everywhere. Shout out.
Okay, that was Toniel uSpeaker Now. Stay tuned for i-performance yakhe. Sekhona ku-Twitter Speaker Now, sikhona ku-TikTok Speaker Now, sikhona ku-Facebook Speaker Now. We're out.
Bulele.
I think it's